Well, hello there and welcome here to my channel. As you can see, we were just greeted by a blue jay that likes to go for the peanuts. Ooh, yep, took it and left. And then we got the regular chickadees, of course. You never know what you'll get around here, which is actually fun. Ooh, just saw a squirrel friend pass. I had a squirrel stop by yesterday. There's a female cardinal. Oh, there she is. Look, y'all, look at that. Look at that. Ain't she beautiful? Even though the males have more colors, the females are just as beautiful in my opinion. And I got all the nuts in there, so that's where they go. I got walnuts and I've got pistachio. And Charlotte, where you at? Right there. I got this so zoomed in, so let me zoom out for a minute so y'all can see her. There's the cat Charlotte. Now look at the camera. You gotta look at the camera while you in the sun watching those birds. Okay, yeah, there we go. Yep, we got a chickadee. We had starlings earlier. So I guess they're coming through. Ooh, the suet. I'm gonna need to fill that up pretty soon. What is that on there? Oh, chickadees. Well, we got a blue jay and a cardinals in this, and a female cardinals in this video. Blue jays, I can't tell from male or female. Can y'all? I don't know if that's a thing, but I know with the red cardinals you can, but I don't know about the blue jays. Maybe I should look it up online. Or if any of you know, put it in the comments for me, please. Chickadee. I got some mealworms in that too. So I know all the birds like that. Oh, they must be pretty busy right now. They were here earlier. I should have recorded earlier, I guess. Ooh. Well, I guess we're going to end the video here with this beautiful red female cardinals. Everybody was so active earlier, but, you know. But anyways, if you like these type of videos, pets and plants, please feel free to give me the like. Subscribe to the YouTube channel if you ain't already. And may you please hit the notification bell so you get every single video that comes out. Until the next video I make, may y'all have yourselves a blessed day. And may y'all stay safe out there. May God bless each and every one of you. Bye-bye for now. Outro with the cats. Can't see her too good. She's all in the sun, but Rocky.